Hello everyone and welcome to Botanicals in our new series called CBDelicious. This is where we ask viewers like you, our friends and our families, what you have left in your pantries, refrigerators, and cupboards during this quarantine time, and take those ingredients and make tasty treats infused with CBD. So, without any further ado, let's get to the kitchen. But first, like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to our new series, CBDelicious. My name is Laurent. I'm the co-founder of Botanicals, your trusted e-commerce and education source with the highest quality, most diverse hemp CBD products. We'll be making today a CBD Japanese souffle pancake. And in order to achieve that, we'll be using the following ingredients. 1 egg already prepared, 1 yolk, 1 white, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, a teaspoon of oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's not forget the main ingredient, which is the oil from Botanicals. We'll be using 1 dropper, which is 1 milliliter, which equal to 25 milligram of CBD, which you can purchase on botanicals.com. Are you ready? Let's start. The yolk, the milk, the oil, the vanilla, the oil, but this time from Botanical, and that's it for now. I'm adding now the flour. Looks good. Now, phase 2, we're gonna do the meringue. Now we add some sugar a little bit. Now that I have the meringue ready, I'm gonna put the meringue slowly into the dough. Using the spoon, put it in. Second one. So I forgot to tell you before we return those beautiful Japanese souffle pancake that we need to cook them on low heat like this. Don't forget also to add a bit of water and then cover it back. They are ready. I'm gonna take them out. Of here is the second one. Ooh, the beautiful souffle. Well, here they are, and they look like CBDelicious. Well, even though I'm the chef in the kitchen, or actually the king in the kitchen, I'm not a chef. Well, at Botanicals, we like to put CBD in everything. So today I tried for the first time the CBD Japanese souffle pancake. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope it's going to be the same for you. And remember, please subscribe to Botanicals CBD and hope to see you very soon.